In this video, I will provide a general overview of the basics of Boards on Fire and go through the solutions and tools we offer. Boards on Fire is, first and foremost, a digital system for daily management. Under this umbrella, we have gathered a range of modules and components with useful features that can be combined in various ways to adapt to a company's actual needs. One of the core parts of Boards on Fire is the digital huddleboards, which can be easily built and customized to meet the needs of daily management at different levels within an organization. We provide components for logging and tracking your most important KPIs over various time intervals, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. There are numerous options for graphs and charts to ensure the best visualization. With our deviation management module, you can capture deviations, escalate important information for quick decision-making, and minimize disruptions in production. These deviations may relate to health and safety, quality, delivery, essentially a classic SQCDP, or any specific areas your business chooses to focus on. By linking the deviation module with our continuous improvement module, you can easily initiate improvement activities based on a deviation whenever relevant. All key information follows through the process, whether it results in a quick fix or requires a more comprehensive PDCA cycle with multiple steps and subtasks. For businesses working with a TAC-based production flow, we have developed a module that clearly visualizes TAC time and current disruptions or stoppages at each station in the flow. Our customer success team is, of course, available for more in-depth information on these modules. The same applies to other features, such as our digital tools for 5S, our project management module with Kanban boards and Gantt charts, our dashboards for production goals, or our visitor registration module. These are some of the most common features in our solutions. We offer Boards on Fire both as predefined standard packages for daily management and as customized enterprise solutions. Boards on Fire is a responsive cloud-based service. You can work with it just as well on a computer as on a tablet, a mobile phone, or during team meetings on a big screen, anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. Each customer has their own login page with a unique URL, which is determined in consultation with our customer success team at the start. Users log into Boards on Fire either with an email and password or via single sign-on, for example, using Microsoft Entra ID if your company utilizes it. Each customer environment is structured as an organizational tree with multiple levels, which we customize to match your organization's structure. Every team, department, or unit that requires its own dashboards forms a sub-organization within Boards on Fire. One of the biggest advantages is that all data and information entered or retrieved on any of these boards can be instantly escalated or aggregated from each individual board all the way up to a consolidated view at the top. Information can also flow in the opposite direction or be shared between organizations at the same level in the hierarchy. Users gain access to content within an organization through access groups that can be easily created and adjusted as needed. Users can have different permissions in different organizations, and there are 3 fundamental permission levels: observer, editor, and creator, each granting increasing levels of access. Our enterprise customers typically have one or a few customer administrators with full rights to build freely within the functionality available to them. Each sub-organization has its own homepage where all boards relevant to that team are gathered. Simply put, there are 3 types of boards in Boards on Fire, each serving a slightly different function: dashboards, activity boards, and displays. Here at the top, we have the dashboards, which can be filled with various components for tracking staffing, KPIs, handling deviations, and other functions mentioned earlier. The most common example is a dashboard for daily huddles and pulse meetings. You can easily change the layout of your dashboards, move components around, and position them as you like. Additionally, you can run them and the entire Boards on Fire system in either dark or light mode. Activity boards are our solution for managing simple project support, task lists, or various types of registers in a structured and clear way. There are different field types available, such as text, numbers, status, date, and user assignments. You can easily set up the board with the columns you need to fit your specific requirements. Finally, we have displays. These can look different depending on the use case, but they all serve the primary purpose of retrieving data from a source and visualizing it within Boards on Fire, rather than being a board that users actively work on. Most of our customers, at some point, want to integrate Boards on Fire with another system in their organization to fetch and update data in our solutions. This could be data from an ERP system, a production system, CRM, a database, an Excel file, or virtually any data source. As long as you know what data you need and where it is available, Boards on Fire can, in most cases, easily receive it. We have a REST API, automatically generated for each customer and available within Boards on Fire, documented according to the OpenAPI standard. Another alternative is our file integration, where all you need to do is continuously upload a CSV file to us via SFTP. The file is stored in our Azure storage, and a trigger ensures that whenever the CSV file is updated, an integration job is automatically initiated to update the boards in Boards on Fire with the new data. This was an overview of the fundamental parts of Boards on Fire. More detailed information and in-depth instructions on specific features are always available through our customer success team.